Uh, I can't believe it's raining today, even though it's now December, I guess. Well, I should go to my room and spend time while it's rainy day. Uh, I'm very bored today. I can't go out anything while it's raining. What should I do? You know what? I should play Kirby Air Riders instead with my friends using game chat. So, I'll get the game first. Oh hey guys, I am here. Well, as you can tell, it's rainy outside here, so we decided to play with Gammajet no matter what.
I know, Adrian. I can't go outside either because it's raining today.
Same here. Well, Adrian, do you have an amiibo figure that you bought that day?
Oh yes, I have Tom. I have Kirby and Warp Star here that I bought it from Comestop last November. But I'm going to use it later, after we are racing this with us.
That's cool to hear, Adrian. Well anyway, let's continue our racing. After that, we can leave the game chat.
Okay then Marlon. Oh wow. That was fun playing with my friends on game chat. Now I'm going to use Amiibo to use it. But, I'm going to get it first. Okay, time to tap the Amiibo to level up and increases the machines. There we go. It worked. Now time to play this game again. Yes. I did it. Yay, 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 yay. I win. Oh yes. The rain has finally stopped. Now I can play with my friends. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this episode of my series. See ya.